In this tutorial, we'll install Flowgorithm software application on Windows operating system. So before installing the application, just go to Control Panel and see if the program is already installed on your machine. Open the Control Panel Programs. Click on Programs and Features. This screen will display all the software applications and other utilities that are installed on Windows operating system or on your machine. Check if the Flowgorithm entry is displayed on the screen. If Flowgorithm is not displayed in the screen, that means the application is not installed on your machine. So launch a web browser and navigate to the official website. Click on the download button. Here you can see a Windows 64-bit installer. Click on the button and download the software. Once you have downloaded the software, go to the folder and extract the contents. Right click and choose extract all. Open the folder and double click on the setup.exe. This will launch the installation wizard. So this is the Flowgorithm setup wizard screen. Click on next button. Choose the installation location. By default it is under program files Flowgorithm directory. Click on next. Click on next to install the software. Accept the license agreement. Choose I agree button and click on the next button. This will display a UAC elevation prompt. Click on the S button. We'll copy all the necessary files onto your computer. Once the installation is complete, click on the close button to close the install wizard screen. You can notice that the installer will create a desktop shortcut. Click on the desktop shortcut icon to launch the Flowgorithm application. That's it. You have successfully installed Flowgorithm on Windows operating system.